What's up, patrons? It's Dragon Master, and we are doing another Culling. Are you ready to rock? Alright, I'm gonna change Sneaky Poker to Immunity, because for some reason that seems how I keep on dying. So, hopefully it works. It might not. Or should I change it to something else? What do y'all think? What should I change it to? I hate that those are the only two spear perks. Alright, after this one, I'm gonna go back to my other. I'm gonna go back to my other loadout, which is Submission, Basher, and Load Dropper with Plumber, which is a wrench, an explosive, an iron first skin, and a muscle milk. And the wrench does a whole lot of damage. It does 9 without doing that. You just do that, it does 9 damage. Okay, let's craft some caltrops. Alrighty. Making sure I don't take fall damage, and let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Whoa, he's not here. Yes, he is. So many people, 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 so many people. Okay, I am trapping this whole place down.
Your enemy just got
Yeah, you
shanked.
better run. Or I'll poison you. Oh no, he's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. Okay. Yes. Got me back here. Yes, and the green crate. I'm just having a good day. Sort of. That's all. He's over there. Ooh.
Your enemy just killed another contestant with a knife. An enemy just killed another contestant with a melee weapon.
Ouch. Screw you. Nope. I'm gonna do this all day. Nice block. He's dead. I'm dead.
You were just killed by a major
Watch
stabbing.
this.
I don't
He's
mean the
about to die.
contestant's
He's
name
about to
was
die.
Major Stabbing.
What's
I
this?
meant, well, you know what I meant. You were there.
Space Jam. See if I see anybody that I know of. I know him. Home style.
A contestant just got sliced into bite-sized chunks.
Style.
There's a killer on the loose. But we already knew that. I'm not scared.
Who's out? Send him a friend invite. Just playing a game, then all of a sudden he gets an invite. Somebody. Wait, Rain Shifter. I know him too. I'll send him an invite as well. Send him a friend request. Rain Shifter. 2 friends in common. Yay. He's probably another streamer. He's probably about to say, who's this? Alright. Yay, he accepted. Alright. Let's do another match because I lost that one. Alrighty. Let's melee. Plumber. We need a low dropper and some mission. Okay. Alrighty. Let's do this. Let's do this. You. Let's do this. Uh-oh. Whoops. My bad. But yeah. What? Oh no. Everybody clap your hands. Everybody drink your root beer. Everybody pet your dog. Oh, you stupid phone. Why don't you ever charge? Thank you for finally charging. Just for y'all that don't know, my phone's battery has been super off lately. Like goes from 100 to 54 in 20 minutes without me even touching it, and it doesn't like to charge. Come on, turn on. If I'll even turn on, it's so dead. Hey, we joined. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Coolie, cool, cool. Yeah, I said that. I said that. But I've also been Hairless Blue Pikachu, Hairless Blue Bunny, Hairless Tree, Dragon Master 1307, which is my Twitch. Hang on. Hold up. Craft me a bloodhound. Where's another rock? Alrighty. This is gonna be a long episode. Video. Whatever. Ooh, rock. I can also hear funk. Funk, funk, funk. I am the funk whisperer. Ooh, more funk. Okay. Oh, lag. Whoa, whoa. What was up with that? Uh-oh, don't. Huh. No. He's coming down. And craft me a bludgeon. I need to craft me a bludgeon. I need another rock. Where's me a rock? Ooh, fighting. They're fighting. Should I go? Might not get there in time.
Another contestant just got cut into little pieces with a razor-sharp blade.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. You're gonna die, punk. You're gonna... Ow!
enemy just died. Axe kill. You killed your enemy
Yes.
with a melee weapon. If you have the wealth, I have the health.
Come on. Let's see if there's anybody around. Nope.
An opponent just got cut into little pieces with an axe.
Alrighty.
An opponent just killed an opponent with a spear.
Alrighty. Come on. Yay. Okay. Where'd it go? There it is. Alrighty. Do any of them... Okay. Got me some bows. We got me some arrows. Sorry. Also, here's some foam. Ooh. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Ugh. Sorry, I had to pop my neck. Ooh, go.
Wow, your enemy just died. Fist kill.
That's it. Message this dude, ask him who wants to do some culling
I can provide medical assistance.
wherever he wants. Oh. Okay. That's fine. This is Come on. Can y'all hear me? Hopefully y'all can. Oh. Yeah. Green cray. Yes. So that. Please be a bow, please be a bow, please be a bow. Nah, darn. Look. Yeah. Do.
Thanks for calling.
I'm for skin and muscle milk. Yeah, I was right.
Attention! It's
Yes.
time to grab my package! A random weapon airdrop is on its way to a
Where is
secret
it?
location. Airdrops bring people together. Get out there and grab my package!
Running on that way. Okay. Whoa, Charlie has some kills. Okay. Somebody. Where is it though? Oh yeah, that big thing up there. That thing. That used to be part of the map, but they deleted it. I don't know why. If you watch D-Live, and you watch some of his earlier streams of the culling, it shows that him and Antoine were up there running around, killing people. Yeah, it's been looted. Oh, nope, but not fully. Oh. Somebody in here? No, don't let me. Ah. Ooh, oh. Ooh, bandy old job. bandage. Funk, 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 funk. Yeah. I wish I had a book bag. That way I could get that bandage, because I really need it. Uh-oh. Nope, 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 nope. You're not running. You're not running. You're not running. Ow. I'm so glad I had immunity on. Oh. Oh. He's down. Alright.
If you can pay, I will spray. A common standard of hygiene conduct enables contempt. In the future, keep your blood inside your body.
Oh, he ran away. How rude. How rude, bruh. That's so rude. Let's see where's he at now. I don't want to leave the bandage. I really don't want to leave the bandage. I don't want to leave the bandage. Thing is, I don't know what to give up for it. No. I don't know what to give up for it. Yeah. Nope. 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 Did I get it? Oh! Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh! Wait. Yo! Pass me some arrows. But didn't y'all see that? Emoji. Come on. Give me a red crate or something that I can blow up. I don't want to leave the bandage. Whoops. I really don't want to leave the bandage. Please be a red crate. No. Please be a red crate over there. Please, no. No. Where would there be a red crate? Down here somewhere, maybe. I don't want to leave that bandage. Especially since it's not crafted. That means it gives you 45 health instead of 25. So much fun. Oh, okay. Oh!
It's everyone's responsibility to keep the island safe and healthy. Good as new. Are you showing the symptoms of screaming paralysis?
Oh, crap. Screw you. I'm gone. I'm gonna go get that bandage. I'm gone. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on, run, 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 run. Come on, regain stamina. Regain
Brace
stamina.
yourself for The
Come on, come on,
choking.
come on, come on, come
Have
on.
you
I
ever
need
choked
that
yourself
bandage, I
just
need
a
that
little?
bandage.
You know what I'm talking about. It can feel
I need
great if
that
you do it at the
bandage, I
right
need that
moment.
bandage, I need
Well,
that
this is the
bandage.
moment to choke everyone. A lot. And this time, you
Come on,
won't need
come
a
on, come
belt.
on.
Get your hands down to the center and release the choking.
Release the choking. Come on, dude. I swear if I got stuck on that again, he probably didn't follow me.
An
Hopefully he
enemy
didn't.
is
Oh,
dead.
yes.
Axe kill.
Yes. Somebody died. Bandage. Bandage, bandage, bandage.
If you can pay, I will spray
I
you
don't
with
know.
help.
I still haven't figured out why it does that sound. Yes, he didn't follow me. Okay. I could really. Yes, funk barrel. Look at all the funk balls and sticks. Hopefully I don't get caught by the gas. See where he's at. Okay. Oops, wrong way. Ooh. Yes. More funk than I ever need. Well, I actually do need it.
Your opponent just killed someone else with a gun.
A gun? Gosh darn it. Oh, by the way, guns cost 300 to 325 to 350. Okay, I'm good. Come on, I need a bow. Give me a bow. Give me a bow. Oops. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I need a stick. I need a stick. I need a stick. Yay, okay. Check where everybody's at. Ooh, 3 people left. Come on, come on, come on, I need a bow. A good bow. I won't make it. Darn it. Wait, I might. Yes, I will. I will. Hopefully it's a bow. Is it a bow? No. It's a dude. It just had to be a dude. Oh, crap. Nice block. No, don't kill me. I'm dead, 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 I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Come
They
on,
knocked your
dude.
bud in the mud. We are going to create you, go to the top of the island, and then toss
Oh,
your
why's it like
ashes.
that?
Toss them like a salad.
Well, that's weird. That was weird. Okay, this has done it for this video of the culling. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that. Now see y'all later. Deuces, Olympians.